I want to show you the things in my shopping cart today that are helping me to stay forever young feeling. You need low carb, low sugar foods with lots of really healthy fats and some moderate protein to keep your body younger longer. So I'm going to flip and show you what came in my order this week, just this morning. I have almond flour. That's a great substitute when you can't have grains. Grains are very inflammatory in the body, so for so many reasons. But sometimes you just need a substitute for like a muffin, and almond flour is the go-to. These three things I actually got free. With Thrive Market, a lot of times they'll give you things free, and I love these hemp hearts. That's a really good source of extra protein. As we age, our bodies tend to lose muscle mass, so be sure that you're getting enough protein. A lot of people these days have inflammation in the gut, which makes them sensitive to some foods, and this seasoning is a good substitute, or a good a good tool to resolve that. I'm looking for the ingredients. Here we go. Salt, garlic, pepper, oregano, basil, cumin, white pepper, and cayenne. Here's what you want to look out for. The common seasoning powder that we used when I was, which you may be using still in your cabinet, if you look at the ingredients, it might have propylene glycol in it, which, why do they put that in there? It's some kind of disgusting preservative. Those chemicals are obesogens. They'll make your body larger. It will make you age faster. So you want to look for ingredients that you understand, words you can pronounce. So around again. Now, depending on what kind of carbohydrate day I'm having, whether I'm keto or and what things I've eaten. If I haven't had any carbs in one particular day, I could probably handle some of this granola. I've got 20 grams of carbs in a third of a cup. Maybe I throw some on my yogurt and I only use a couple of tablespoons. Or when you track your total carbs for the day, you could probably fit this in pretty easily on some days. This is what I was excited about because I typically have been sprouting walnuts. So I soak them overnight and then I dehydrate them, which is a little trouble. But if I can save a lot of money, it's worth it. On Thrive Market this week, those sprouted walnuts were about the same price as their raw walnuts. So it saved me lots of work. It was worth my time doing a little shopping. What to do with those walnuts? Yum. I have some kind of either a kefir or a yogurt, and I change brands every week because you want a variety of good cultures in your gut. I throw on some blackberries. I love blackberries and walnuts. And again, depending on how many carbs I've had that day, I might add some healthy honey. Honey, blackberry, walnuts, yogurt, one of my favorite. I hope this information helps. Share it with your friends because you want them to feel younger longer with you, right? I hope you have a great day.